Want to get the most out of Claude 4? Here's how to use Claude 4 effectively, step by step. Start by opening Claude 4 on your browser or the platform where it's available. Click New Chat or New Project to begin. Type your question, prompt, or task clearly in the chat box. You can also use system-level instructions to adjust Claude's tone, style, or output format. Once you send your prompt, Claude 4 will generate a response. Review the output carefully and refine your prompt if necessary to improve clarity or accuracy. You can copy the generated text, export it, or continue iterating in the same session. Claude 4 is designed for more complex reasoning, coding, and multi-step instructions, so you can ask it to summarize documents, generate code, create tutorials, or brainstorm ideas with high accuracy. Now, you know how to use Claude 4 to get accurate and helpful outputs for any task. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.